In this problem, we're going to use long division to divide these two polynomials to write it in a different form. So we're starting with a cubic divided by a linear term. So we're going to put the cubic underneath the divisor bar. So we will have x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 10. And what you're dividing by is going to go on the outside. The first thing I'm going to do is ask myself what times x would give us an x cubed. You can kind of ignore this negative 3 for right now, but it is going to come along for the ride when we multiply through. So x times an x squared will give us an x cubed. And notice that since we had an x squared that we need to multiply the x by, I put it above the x squared term to keep our work organized. Now I'm going to take this x squared times x to get the x cubed that we were looking for, and x squared times negative 3 to give us negative 3x squared. I'm now going to subtract. The x cubes cancel, and I'm left with negative 5x squared minus negative 3x squared, which gives us a negative 2x squared. Now I'm going to bring down the next term and repeat the process over again. We'll ask ourselves what times x would give us negative 2x squared, and that would be negative 2x. Now I'm going to multiply this negative 2x by both of these terms. Negative 2x times x is going to give us negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times negative 3 will give us a positive 6x, and we will subtract these two. The 2x squareds are going to cancel. 2x minus 6x gives us a negative 4x. And again, we're going to bring down the next term, so we'll have plus 10. Last step, we're going to again ask ourselves what will multiply by x to give us negative 4x, and that is negative 4. Negative 4 times x gives us negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 3 gives us a positive 12. Subtract. The x's are gone. However, we're going to be left with a remainder of negative 2. So what we do with the remainder is we're going to place it over what we were dividing by. And so this is going to be in mixed number form since I have a polynomial, but I'm also going to have a remainder part, and that's why we call it mixed number form. And so my final answer is going to be x squared minus 2x minus 4 minus 2 divided by x minus 3. And we're done.